And welcome back. Okay, in this video, as advertised in the last video, we're going to change those int counter numbers on the different target scripts so that they're not all in sync. They're not all scrolling, not all animating at the exact same place at the same time. And because you couldn't see them next to each other that well, this is kind of a minor deal. But it's one of a large number of things that you can do to a game, all kinds of little details and embellishments that you can add that that make your game richer and seem like it's actually had some thought put into it. So, you know, it's again, it's an optional thing, but as much as anything, we're just doing a review of how you do this kind of offset and getting you more sort of in the mindset of there's basic game functionality and then there's all the little details that you can add that added up really make a difference. Even if the player doesn't notice them consciously, together they make a difference, certainly subconsciously. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got our script here. We've got our int counter external variable all set by default at 0. And we're going to come over here to the individual targets. Now we need to drill in to the inner target piece. So there it is, and there's the script, and int counter set at 0. Now we can leave the first one at 0, because one of them being at 0 is fine. Let's go to the second one. Now there's 12 here, and we've got a total of 40 numbers, 0 to 39. So we want these offset by 3 or 4. So we made the first one 3, make the second one 6 here, come to the third one. These don't have to be all, exactly. Well, they can't be because some have to be 3 and some have to be 4. So there's 9. Make this next one 4, so 13. And most of them will be 3. And 16. And just keep going through. And we're probably about time for another 4, so 23. And it doesn't take that long, so 26. And last couple here. And so another 4, so 33. Now the numbers go through 39, but the one after that is 0. So this last one here is going to be 36, which is evenly spaced from the cycle back to the first one. So we'll save our scene, and we'll run it. And there's our targets, moving similarly but not identically. Animated similarly but not identically. Again, you can futz with these numbers and futz with the animation speed if you want to get slightly different effects, but just little details that make at least a subconscious difference to the game player. So all doing their thing, looks good. They're spaced out enough so that it's not really that big a deal, but that's it. We'll see you in the next chapter.